Good afternoon, students. How are you all? It's me, your GK teacher, hereby presenting your new task number 9, that is world leaders. Before we know about the world leaders, let's understand the word leader. Who is the leader? A leader is a person who leads any organization or any institution or a group of people. Even your class has a leader who leads the entire class. But right now, we are going to read about the world leaders, the people, group of people who lead the entire world. They lead their own countries and together they run the entire world. So, what you are supposed to do, you have to identify these personalities and you have to find it out whether they are the president or the prime minister of their countries, and also you have to find out which country they belong, which country they serve as prime minister or president. Number of countries are given in the help box. You can choose it from the box. So let's start from the first personality. He is the most dashing personality in among all the politicians, and right now he is in news also. And who is he? He is the prime minister of Canada. And number 2, who will guess the name? I hope it is not hard to guess, right? Donald John Trump. He was the 45th president of the United States of America. But if we talk about the current president, who is current president of America? The current president of America is Joe Biden. Yes. Number 3, Frank-Walter Steinmeier. He is the president of Germany. Number 4, Theresa May. She is the prime minister of United Kingdom. Number 5, Malcolm Turnbull. He is the prime minister of Australia. Shinzo Abe. He is the prime minister of Japan. Xi Jinping. Who is he? He is the prime minister of China, of course. His face resembles with Chinese people, and it is very easy to guess his country. And he served China as the president. Abdul Hamid. He is the president of Bangladesh. Number 9, Ram Nath Kovind. Yes, he is the president of India. And who is the prime minister of India? Yes, the current prime minister of India is Narendra Modi. Joko Widodo. Who is he? He is the president of Indonesia. Okay. Maithripala Sirisena. Who is he? He is the president of Sri Lanka. And the last, number 12, he is Vladimir Putin. Okay. And he is the president of Russia. So, my dear students, you will remember their faces, okay, and you will also remember whether they serve their countries as president or prime ministers. One more thing, the task just after this task is task number 10, that's mixed bag. Okay, so this is based on the crossword puzzle. Clues are given across and down over here, and you have to do it on your own. So this is going to be your homework, extra homework, okay, because we discussed task number 9 today, and you will be doing task number 10 on your own. Okay, so this is all for today. Keep revising. Allah Hafiz.